Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the 4 best eBay dropshipping YouTubers that you should go and follow. Now, before I go ahead and do this, if you are new to the channel, I do suggest going and hitting subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing, because I upload daily about making money online. So if you're into that kind of thing, go subscribe. Go on, go subscribe. So let's head over to my computer. So, these are in no particular order. These are just my favourite 4 eBay dropshipping YouTubers that you should go and follow if you want to learn about eBay dropshipping. Now, all these different YouTubers have different methods of dropshipping, so I'll get into that as well. But my first one is Broke to Bosco. Now, Broke to Bosco, her strategy or her method is optimization. So she'll find her items straight from her source, her retailer, her supplier, just find the items, go to her eBay and list them and optimize the title. That's what her whole strategy is around, and that is her method for dropshipping on eBay. Now, Broke to Bosco has a lot of videos that you can go and watch and learn from. If you go to her home page, she does have all these different playlists. So as you can see, she has her normal uploads. She has the make $1,000 a month eBay dropshipping, and she has how to start an eBay dropshipping business. So she has quite a few playlists that I recommend if you are new to go through and watch them all, or watch what you can. So that is my first one, Broke to Bosco. I love her channel. She has some great content. It's actually helped me out a lot along my journey as well, and I highly recommend watching her. Now, that's especially if you are based in the UK and you plan on doing dropshipping in the UK on eBay UK. I think I said UK far too many times just then. Anyway, so if you are based in the UK, go and subscribe to her channel and watch her videos. Now, the second one, I'm going to close this first one. Close that. And the second one, NoBullshit Dropshipping Training. Now, this is a great YouTube channel to go and follow if you are learning about dropshipping. Mark's method is sniping. So what he does, he finds the items selling on eBay, finds other dropshippers, takes their whole listing, lists them himself, and undercuts the price. That is pretty much sniping. But as you can see, his channel is growing massively. He's nearly at 17,000 subscribers. And if you go to his homepage, he's also got playlists. So again, he's got his uploads, live streams, popular uploads, quick tips, one-on-one calls. So go through and check him out. Now, his strategy, the sniping strategy, can be done in the UK and in the US. So just know that if you want to do sniping, you can take that method and do it in the UK as well if you are UK based. He has a hell of a lot of videos. I think he's got close to 1,000 videos all about eBay dropshipping now. So there's a lot of content to go through if you want to learn. Now again, most of these different eBay dropshipping YouTubers have different methods. So what you want to do if you're just getting into eBay dropshipping, learn the different methods, then try one out and stick to it. Don't keep jumping around trying all these different eBay dropshipping methods. Just find a method, stick to it, and see if you get results. Now, the third one, let's close that tab, is the Hustle Husbands. Now, again, this is a great channel to go through. Unfortunately, they haven't made playlists on their homepage, so you just have to go through their videos. But they do have quite a few videos, nowhere near as many as Becky or Mark. But again, a lot of content to go through, a lot of great content. Now, their method is optimization again. Now, I think they only sell on eBay.com, not in the UK market. But the optimization method can be taken to any market, especially in the US, UK. You can use that method in either. So it doesn't matter if you're learning from people in the US or the UK, the methods work no matter what country you are in or what eBay you are planning on selling on. But they have some great content Shame they don't have playlists. Let's go to the playlists. Well, they have a few, not many. Live Q&As, virtual assistants, income reports, watch me start a new sniping store. See, they have done sniping in the past, but their main method is optimization. What was that? Someone shouting around outside. So Becky does optimization, Mark does sniping, the Hustle Husbands do optimization. Then the fourth one I recommend to go and subscribe to is my channel. Yep, my channel's made the list. Now, my eBay, my YouTube channel has only been around for a little over a month. I do have 129 subscribers and I'm really happy with that. I seem to be growing fairly fast, but even though I've only been on for a little over a month now, I now have over 70 videos, so I do have a lot of content you can go through. Now, my method is snoptimization, so that is a cross between optimization and sniping. So I'd use the sniping strategy to find items that are already selling, but then I'd completely optimize the title and sell it that way. I just seem to prefer doing that at the minute. I like the idea of sniping and finding items that are already selling, but instead of actually really sniping, I take the title, optimize it myself, and that's why we call it snoptimization. Now, most of the methods I teach on my channel can be used in eBay UK and eBay.com. So even if you're in the US, you can learn most of my methods and apply that on eBay.com. Now, yeah, as you can see, I have over 70 videos. Quite a few, and I do upload pretty much every day. Well, I say pretty much. Since I've started the channel, I have uploaded every single day at least one video, if not more. Now, if you come over to my homepage, I do also have playlists that you can go through and learn. I have my popular uploads. Then I have my eBay dropshipping training. I'll link this in the video right up here because I do recommend you going through and watching the training. So then I have stuff about YouTube channel, which doesn't really seem to get many views. Then I have all my eBay dropshipping videos. Then I have one, make money with fan pages. If you want, you can go through and check that out. And then I have my Hustle Got Real tutorial. So I have quite a lot of playlists you can potentially go through and learn about eBay dropshipping if you are interested. But don't forget, if you are interested in learning about eBay dropshipping, then I do suggest going subscribing to all of these different YouTubers, learning the methods, finding a method, and then sticking to that method. Don't go changing from method to method. I feel like I'm saying method a lot now as well. Anyway, you just want to learn one strategy and apply that, and keep applying it until you start seeing results and see if it works for you before you change strategies. So that is it. Go and subscribe to all these, especially me as well. And now if you enjoyed this video, let me down in the comments below whether you liked it or not, and whether it was worth my time actually making this video. That being said, if you haven't subscribed already, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing, because I upload daily about making money online, mainly with eBay dropshipping. Now, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.